Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove borders in Google Sheets. If you've been working with spreadsheets and want to clean up the appearance by getting rid of those cell borders, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Workspace. Open your browser and type in workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, you'll see all your recent files and folders. Simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to remove borders. This will open up your Google Sheets file in a new tab or window, giving you access to all the editing tools you need. Now comes the main part. You need to select all the data from which you want to remove the borders. Click and drag your cursor over the cells to highlight them. If you're removing borders from a large section, you can click the first cell, then hold Shift and click the last cell to select everything in between. Once your desired range is highlighted, you're ready to make the change. Look up at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see various formatting options, and among them is the border icon. It typically looks like a grid or a square with lines around it. Click on this border icon to reveal a drop-down menu with different border options. In this drop-down menu, you'll see various border styles like all borders, outer borders, and more. What you're looking for is the clear border option. It's represented by an icon that looks like a square with no border around it, essentially showing no lines. Once you locate this clear border icon, go ahead and click it. This action will immediately remove all borders from your selected cells, giving your spreadsheet a cleaner or streamlined appearance. And that's it. You've successfully removed borders from your Google Sheets data. This simple formatting adjustment can help make your spreadsheet look more professional or easier to read, depending on your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.